This is a cockroach. And this is a cup. There's gotta be a better way. Let's build it. We have a cockroach problem, so today we're going to build a bug catcher based on the classic cup method, but with a special feature. More on that later. We're going to start our build with this spray mop. Why a spray mop? Well, it's already our go-to object to smash, smash, smash bugs. We'll just swap out the mop head with this cup we designed. If you want to build your own, you can download the STL files for the 3D printed parts on our Ko-fi page for free. We'll set these to print while we carefully take apart the mop. Careful. Careful. No, 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 no. One of the reasons we chose to start with this mop is because of this, the spray feature. With the push of the button, the mop is able to spray anything from this tank. But wait, you say, the mop is the apex of consumerism. Every part is a single-use consumable and you can't refill the bottles. And to that, I say, watch me, nerd. If you soak the cap in warm water for a few minutes, it softens the plastic enough to open. Remove these tabs so you can open and close it as you please. We'll fill the tank up with rubbing alcohol. When I was a kid, I made a bug collection with my dad, and we'd use this to preserve the bugs. In this case, we'll only spray the rubbing alcohol on dangerous bugs like wasps, or on cockroaches. Everything else we'll release outside. At the end of the video, we'll test how effective this is on a real cockroach. The assembly of the cup is coming together great. We'll use a spring to normally close the lid. We just need something to open it, and I've got an idea. We cut the brake line off our dirtbag neighbor's bike. We'll attach the handle up here and run the cable down to the lid. With a bit of cable management, it's ready to go. The gimbal system on the cup allows it to sit flush on any surface before sliding on the lid. Let's test it out some totally real cockroaches. Functionally, it seems to work. However, the sprayer is leaking alcohol all over itself. We added this valve from the spray mop, and it successfully stopped the leaking.
Okay, so I just woke up. I was getting ready for work when I spotted this. We'll just catch it in our cup. Spray it. And trash it.